Hey everyone, I'm here to show you how you could spice up your YouTube videos for your students by using iMovie. So first, what I did was I used QuickTime Player, like I showed you in the past, to record a video of myself. And I recorded a video of me doing a book review for my students. So I saved it over here on my right hand top corner on my desktop um, so that I can easily access it. The other things that you'll want or need for your iMovie are you might want music, and you also might want like a title background. iMovie does have backgrounds in it, but you might want your own. So I was going to show you how to download music. So you'll want to open Google, and I went to a royalty-free website called Bensound, and you can click through some of the sounds. Until you find one that you think you might like to have in your background. And this happens to be the one that I did download. So you'll press download. It will come down here on your bar, and I just pulled it over here right under my video so I'd have it on my desktop. Then if you're not going to use the backgrounds in iMovie, you can find backgrounds on Google. So I did royalty-free backgrounds. And then there's websites. You'll probably want to go to a website more than get it off Google. I went to this pixels.com, and this is where I got the backgrounds that I'm going to use. And I downloaded them and then pulled them over the side so they're right here when I need them. So I'm going to put that away. And now that I have everything I want out, I'm going to go to iMovie, and I'm going to move it over so I can kind of still see all my stuff that I have on my desktop here. I might actually pull it farther over. Okay, so then you're going to want to import all of the things that you have. So the first thing I'm going to import is actually my video of me doing my book review. Okay, and then once you import your media, you'll drag it down to where you're going to start your video. So now, so far, all I have in my YouTube video is me and my recording. Now, I want a title screen before this so it says what my video is about. So you can go to titles and backgrounds, and so you can pick a background from the ones that they already have and drag it down. Or you can go to my media and you can upload it. So I'm going to upload, I wanted this one, file, import media, and then I wanted my other one. So I have two pictures, and you can tell they're pictures because they have a little camera next to them, while my video had how long it was. So I want this as my starting picture. And right now, when you glance over it, it says that it's only going to take 4 seconds. So you can always stretch it, and it can be as long as you want. Then I want this picture as my end. So I'm going to drag it to the end, and I might want it for more than 4 seconds. Okay, so now I have my background, my video, and my background at the end. Now, I'm not going to drag in my sound quite yet because I want to make sure I have titles in front of my backgrounds. So I'm going to go up here, press titles, and you can pick whichever kind of title you're going to want. I usually pick kind of stick with kind of the same theme, pull it down, if it'll let me, to put on top of this. So my title is Quick Book Review. Actually, I'm just going to title it Flipped Book Review with Mrs. Yellow. And I think I might want to change it to black because you'll be able to see it better. And I also want to change the font type. There was one. Let's try this. I like that. Okay. So now I have, maybe I want to do it smaller so that it'll all stay on here. Okay, I like that a lot better. So this says that it's going to take about 11 seconds, and the background did fix itself to last that 11 seconds. Okay, now I have my ending, and I like this scrolling credits because I want to include that I want kids to be able to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also I want them to be able to follow, if I can spell right. I also want them to be able to, I'm going to have to bring it in again because I don't like what I did. So I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to bring it in again. And I'm going to delete the title, but I want them to follow me on YouTube at Success in 6th for more videos. I also want them to be able to follow me on Instagram to see what me and my son have been up to during this break. So then I'm going to delete the rest. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so they can really see it. You always want to double check that you have the right spelling of all your stuff, or that you have the right names in there for your different things. So yep, my dot's in the right place for Success in 6. And let's check, I'm checking on my phone to make sure my YouTube channel's correct. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to leave that. Now, honestly, you could be done. So you can check it to see if you like it by clicking on the bottom at the beginning and pressing play. So right now there's nothing in the background. I'm just making sure, as in there's no music in the background. It'll be me talking. It's really hard to hear me, so what you can do is you can raise up the sound. Okay, you still can't really hear me, so I'm going to pull it up. Okay. So now, if you want to import audio, it might have stuff that you already have downloaded in here. It might recognize what you have on your desktop. If it doesn't, you'll again go to File, Import Media, and import the song. Mine recognizes my song, the Ben Sound Cute. So I'm going to pull it down underneath everything. I'm going to stretch it out so it lasts the entire video. If it will let me. It should let me. I'm not sure why it's not letting me. Okay. Well, and the dog's barking crazy. And now I want to make sure my music doesn't overplay my voice. Okay, so once my video starts, my music is too loud. So what you can do is you can split the clip, and so it's split it. It does not like me right now for some reason. Okay, so let me split the clip so that my front end on just my title screen can be louder. Okay, and then, but when I'm talking, I'm going to bring it down so the music's still subtly in the background, but you can just hear me. And I don't know why it doesn't like me right now. Okay, so then my music ends, and for some reason it doesn't want to drag any longer, so I'm just going to leave it how it is. But I do want to record my voice at the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to record. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to record myself. Thanks for listening, and follow my YouTube channel, Success in Sixth, and follow me on Instagram, success.in6th. So now I have my voice recorded down here, and it kind of went fast. So if I want them to be able to see the end screen a little longer, I can drag everything. I won't drag out my voice, but at least now this will last longer while I'm talking. Okay, so I like my video. I've watched it a few times to make sure I like where everything is. I probably could have figured out how to make my sound longer, but it's really not that big of a deal. So then you want to share. And so what I do is on the right top hand corner, I press the share button, and I just do a file. You can share right to YouTube if you want, but I'll show you what I do. So I want to do it to a file, next, and I'm going to do flipped book review, and save it to my desktop. And up here in the right hand corner, I'll show you how long it's going to take to do that, which it looks like it's already done. So then what you'll want to do when you're done, you can minimize or get out of iMovie. You'll want to go to your YouTube channel and do the same steps that I did in the last video with uploading a video. And now you don't just have a recording of yourself or your screen, but you have a video that you've created. So that is how you use iMovie.